The first website is ymate.app, and this is a very reliable YouTube to MP3 website. A lot of the other ones I've used have either gone down or changed names, but this one stayed the same, and it's free, and it allows you to do unlimited. The next one is the 4K video downloader. This is the one that I actually use, but it's a desktop app, but it's really light and it works super well. You literally just copy and paste and it's done. Some of you may know about this one, but this is uberduck.ai, and you can use all these different sounds to say whatever you want. I mean, it goes from everything to rappers to people from movies and TV shows and everything in between. Some of them are really good and some of them aren't that great, but it's completely free and I've had a lot of fun using this. You should know about this one already, but this is Reddit drum kits, and you can get all the drum kits on this site for free. Go through here and use your discretion. Some of them may be trash, some of them may be stolen. Just be careful what you do with it. Like I said, use your discretion. Next is Vizzy.io, and this website allows you to create music visualizers that are super high quality and they're free, and you can customize them. You go in here and then you can customize all this different stuff. It may take a second to get used to because there's a lot of options, but it's amazing. You cannot beat this, and the fact that it's free is absolutely crazy, man. So definitely check out this website for your next visualizer. The next one we have to talk about is the Plotno Studio, and this is for people that want to make graphics but don't want to use Photoshop, because this is stupid simple. A baby could use it. I mean, look at all this stuff. You literally just drag and drop it in and size it, and it's pretty much done. If you're a little more advanced, you can use this one. This is Photopia, and this is a copy of Photoshop, but this is a web app version of it. This uses the web, so you have to have internet to use this, but it pretty much has all the functionality of Photoshop minus like a few of the super detailed things, and you can pretty much get all of your stuff done using this. Adobe just made this website extension where you can actually upload your voice and it'll clean it up for you. Even if it sounds like you recorded it out of a potato, they'll use their AI algorithms to make it sound more professional. And it's free, so guys, check this out. Next, we have to talk about songstems.net. And this is where you can find the stems to all of your favorite songs. For instance, if we go under the best pop songs, we got The Weeknd, Dua Lipa, and so on and so forth. So if there's a song you want to remix or you want to use the stems for any reason, you can pretty much get it here. Next is lalal.ai, and this is an AI that can help you separate the vocals and the stems in a song. So if you couldn't find it on SongStems because let's say it's a new track or something, you can do it manually using this one. Now, they only give you a certain amount that you can do for free, but you can actually hack this by using a desktop recorder to record the audio instead of having them like give you a downloaded file. So that's how you can get around that. And yeah, this is really nice. It does a really good job. It's the best one that you can get for free, I'll tell you that. Next is the Loudness Penalty Analyzer, and you can drop your track in here and it's going to tell you how much YouTube, Instagram, and all those are going to take off of your file, because we all know they compress the sound on your beats and you don't want it to sound like crap. So use this first to make sure that you have it at the appropriate loudness. This one is Sample, and this is a Chrome extension if you use Chrome. But it's an extension that allows you to record anything that's in the background. So if you hear a certain sound or drum or a song that you want to record that you're using in your browser, you can go ahead and record it using this super easy, and it's free. This one's the Bedroom Producers blog, and this one's pretty much the darknet for music producers because it literally tells you everything that's happening in the community right away. For instance, if there's a plugin that is free for a limited time and then it goes on sale for $100 later, these guys are going to be the first ones to know. Look at this. There's a free clipper and limiter plugin, a free saxophone. Arturia Tape Mellowify is free with a certain trial. All this stuff is very recent within the last day or so, and they're going to know about it first. Also, there's new stuff like mixing tips that are new to the market, stuff about AI and music copywriting, stuff about new plugins that come to the market, new hardware, all of this stuff. This is the best place to do it. This is the blog that you need to be on. Just refresh this once a day or once in a while, and you're good to go, fam. That's all the ones we have today, but if we missed anything, please comment below and let us know. And also, like the video if you enjoyed this, and feel free to subscribe to the community. We upload videos like this every single week to keep you guys informed and teach you new stuff. Besides that one, guys, I'll be catching you again in the next one. Peace out.